Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome back to my channel. Myself, Djmahaneet, and today is a Sunday morning, and it's 7:15 in the morning, and we're doing a short breakfast ride today. Just the two of us, Deepak and myself, and we're riding on Hassan Road to a dam called Markonahalli Dam, and we'll probably have breakfast en route the multiple places on Hassan Road. Road heading towards the dam, and with me riding is Deepak Gowda. He's one guy I struggle to maintain pace with. One of the fastest riders I've seen in a long time. Starting from his ZX10R days, the CBR, the Fireblade, and now on his GS, he is still uncatchable. Doesn't ride the GS 1250 like a adventure bike. He rides it more like a sports bike. Always full throttle. And people think I am fast. They see this guy, he will be redlining, and he used to ride with the redliners. Probably that's the side effects of riding with the redliners. No offenses against any group. But it's fun riding with Deepak. Keeps you on your toes. Very few people actually can keep me on my toes, because I am also pretty fast paced. Guy who loves his machines. I see him polish from everything. Well, today is a beautiful day, and the weather is perfect for riding. 28 degrees on a Sunday morning, and Hassan Road is pretty crowded today. Probably the time pretty late. The last time I went to Ooty on this road, it was clear as hell, and really got to enjoy the road. But today it's much more crowded. Some crosses I've missed my gloves in the top box. Need to stop and take it. Well, we are almost at Markonahalli Dam, design and be a part of the construction. I'm not sure it'll be crowded today or not, being a Sunday, and it's very approachable from the main road. So maybe it would be crowded, I'm not sure. Let's see. This was built after KRS. So KRS was one of the earlier projects of Wodeyars and M Visweswaraiah, and then they later on built this one for drinking water, basically. It's catchment area. You can see the dam on the right. Broken tar, basically. There's no road at all. Various channels going out of the dam, I think. Seems like it's locked. Let's go around and see. You can see more bikers ahead. Seems like a big dam. Not sure they let people up. There's another gate here. It also seems to be locked. You can see the water body. Let's see what we can see from here. Well, that is Markonahalli Dam for you. and that's my africatwin. Well, check out the Markonahalli Dam. Such a serene and beautiful place. You should come around if you're traveling this side of town. It is en route to Hassan, just before Dhruvatare. Take a left and about 7-8 kilometers inside. Hardly anybody comes here. It's so serene and peaceful.
Yes.
That is Markonahalli Dam for you. If you do like my videos, do subscribe my channel on YouTube. That's Djmahaneet. Also follow me on Instagram. And do visit Markonahalli if you're traveling around BM Road, that is Bangalore Road, towards Hassan or Chikmagalur or anywhere that side. It's a very nice, serene place.
Do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. such a beautiful state highway. Well, it's almost 10 a.m. and I'm heading back towards Bangalore. And if you like my videos, do subscribe to Djmahaneet. Also, follow me on Instagram at Djmahaneet. Well, cheers guys, see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.